topic is fundamental laws of gases in thermal physics. Fundamental laws of gases. There are three fundamental laws of gases which has a relationship between pressure, volume and temperature. They are Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. First we will see the Boyle's law. In Boyle's law, the temperature was kept constant and the volume fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to, that is the volume V is inversely proportional to pressure. So inversely, this 1 by P means inversely proportional, that is the temperature of the gas is kept constant and the volume of mass of gas is fixed, which is inversely proportional to the pressure, and this can be written as, that is V is inversely proportional to pressure, that is volume is inversely proportional to the pressure, can be written as P is, that is pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Like this also you can write. In other words, for an invariable mass of a perfect gas at constant temperature, the product of its pressure and the volume is constant. So in other words, you can say, for example, you have taken invariable mass of 2. So in 1, the volume will increases and the pressure decreases. So the pressure is ticking up. So that time the volume of the gas increases and the pressure decreases. This one. And in this picture, the pressure increases and the volume decreases. So that means the product of pressure and volume is kept constant. Okay. So at which? At temperature. So the temperature was kept constant. The temperature of a perfect gas is constant and the product of PV, that is pressure and volume, is also constant. So PV is equal to constant. You can write it like this also. Next we move on to Charles' law, the law of volume. Charles' law was formulated, please wrote this C. Charles' law was formulated by French scientist Jacques Charles. Because of this, the name Charles' law has been given. According to this law, when the pressure of the gas is kept constant, so here the pressure is constant. In Boyle's law, temperature is constant, but here the pressure is kept constant and the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature. So the volume of the gas, and this is the directly proportional to the temperature, and this can be written also, that is V by T is equal to constant. Like this also you can write. So in Boyle's law, temperature was kept constant and the volume is inversely proportional to pressure. But here in Charles' law, pressure is kept constant. Okay, pressure is kept constant and volume is directly proportional to temperature. So which can be written as V is directly proportional to temperature, or V by T is equal to constant. You can say like this also. So V is directly proportional to T, or V by T is equal to constant. So next we move on to Avogadro's law. So Avogadro's law states that a constant pressure and temperature, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules present in it. In Avogadro's law, the pressure and temperature both are constant. Okay, both are kept constant here. Okay, both are kept constant and the value, that is volume, is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. It is here, it is denoted as small n. So number of molecules or atoms present in it. Okay, so that we can write it as Vn is equal to constant. Okay, like that you can. So Avogadro's number Na is the total number of atoms per mole of the substance. So the Avogadro number, you can see the total number of atoms per mole of the substance, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 per molecule. So this is the Avogadro's number. They can ask in 1 mark also. So Boyle's law, there the temperature was constant and the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. And in Charles' law, what is constant? Pressure is constant and volume is directly proportional to the temperature. In Avogadro's law, the pressure and temperature are constant and volume is directly proportional to the number of atoms of the molecule. So this is the 3 fundamental laws. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.